In the competitive and often challenging grocery wholesale industry, getting product on the shelves in a timely and cost-effective manner is crucial. URM Stores, a food distributor in the inland Northwest that is member-owned, prides itself on being within 15 to 30 minutes of their delivery time every time.
We've developed a very good relationship with quality of equipment and being on time with our retailers, because you know what's waiting at the store when they get there, right? The people that throw that freight onto the store shelves. So you have to be punctual.
This operational efficiency would not be possible without Corcentric. URM has partnered with Corcentric for 20 years, utilizing its fleet management solutions to optimize its tractors and trailers that travel 10 million miles each year. By implementing Corcentric's data analytics services for fleet efficiency, URM has been able to identify the right life cycle for each type of asset in the fleet. It's an equation that works for them, but is also flexible.
So the analytics help us to determine, which units are really costing us more money than they should, to make an educated and best business decision on whether we're going to keep that equipment. Maybe we want to extend it out, save the company a little bit of money.
Whether it's improving truck builds for better fuel mileage or making sure drivers have the safest equipment, URM trusts Corcentric to meet their needs and strengthen URM's relationship with their member owners.
They're kind of like a big brother where they can step in and they know the right people and they know they have the contacts, they know what the communication is, they know how to help. We take it for granted because we've done business with you for a long time.